Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is connected to stable Wi-Fi and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Open the Galaxy Store or Play Store and search for Samsung Internet so you can check its listing. Once there, confirm available storage and that automatic updates are disabled if you want manual control. This helps avoid unexpected changes. Now, tap the app page to reveal the update button or settings. That's where the process moves forward. Once on the app page, tap Update to download the latest release. You'll see permissions or release notes explaining fixes and features. If the download stalls, pause and resume or switch networks to ensure speed. While updating, watch for progress and allow any permissions required so features work properly. After installation completes, the store will show Open or Updated. Make sure to read the brief changelog to understand what changed. If you prefer, enable Auto Update, open Samsung Internet and go to Settings, then About to confirm the new version number. This verifies the update succeeded. Restart the browser, and if you want, reboot the device to finalize background processes and ensure extensions reinitialize properly. If something behaves oddly after updating, clear the browser cache and site data and test again. Key troubleshooting tip. If the update fails repeatedly, uninstall updates or reinstall the app from the store, and ensure you have at least 200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.